Check it out. I'm gonna check the date before I even start the video. Right, got it. What's up, guys? It's Saturday. God damn it, let me restart. What's up, guys? November 16th, it's Saturday. I'm not working. We got shit to do. But first, alright, we gotta close this. Shut this bitch down. Off with the motherfucking moss. Got the notebook of ideas and shit. My beanie makes me look cute as fuck. I need to buy a new one though, this is old. Okay, so hold that thought. Woo! Check out what we got, guys. This is a carbon fiber 12-volt Chinese diesel heater. This puppy was 180 bucks, shipped to my work's door. We're gonna install this motherfucker today because the 1500 watt space heater kind of freaks me out, to tell you the truth. Then again, kind of feel like this is gonna catch on fire at the same time. Yeah, we got a blunt ready to go. Unfortunately, it tastes like shit. It's fucking garbage ass weed. It's some homegrown, fucking growing on some homeboy's farm bullshit. Oh, I was so pissed. So motherfuckers do. Even get this old bitch started. You can get up there, buddy. You okay? So last night, Kado wakes me up. He's on the floor. I don't know how he got on the floor. Oh wait, he had to step over me, I think. I don't remember. Yeah, I had to let him out at 4 a.m. so he could shit. And he just ran off into the woods. Like shit his fucking brains out for like 40 minutes. And like before we went to bed, he ate something. Mystery object. Oh fuck, you gotta check the brakes. Got LEDs to put in today too. That's old as fuck. I hate that. Yeah, we're good to go, I hope. For at least like a few minutes. It's so hard getting out of this fucking place. I want to go left, but like, it's fucking bullshit. This is why I hate Texas. That might have been a red light. I wasn't paying. No, it's green. It's green. So yeah, I gotta put the diesel heater in today. I don't know. Look at these dummies. Oh, that's sick. That's a race car from like 1900s. Shit, are we blessed with the radio? Yeah, it works again. As usual, there's nothing but Spanish crap on the radio. Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's showtime! Get my inner drag queen out. I can't handle this shit.
Could hear what the president's.
Oh god damn. Oh, thank God it's the end of that song. I fucking hate that fucking Maroon 5, you fucking dipshit fucko. Justin Timberlake, you suck balls too. Anyways, I was on AM radio, that was the problem. But now it's just nothing but shit fucking music. Oh, that's my jams. Yeah, picking up the homie. I was like, that's what, hell yeah. You got a collar on? Are you good? Motherfucker! Oh, this fuel pump is so fucking annoying. That's awesome. We just picked up Duan on the way to the park. Damn, I can't believe I backed the fucking van up in here. I cannot believe I backed this big bitch up. Man, I should have parked closer to this motherfucker though. God damn, that's funny. So I'm gonna get my bike out. I'm gonna go find Kado. Oh, crack the fucking top on this bitch. Give me the nectar. Oh, it's so frothy. Oh, did you go find your shit spot? Oh, wait, y'all can see the code. That's awesome. Soccer is a fucking big gig out here. Ridiculously fucking packed. He looks so evil when he's hunting. What the fuck are soccer moms doing here? I gotta put pads on. Come here, buddy. God, there's just too many people, but I gotta put pants on. Come on, can you load up real fast? Go. Thank you. We're not leaving. Yeah, go. We're good. Alright, I gotta change clothes, and then we're gonna go shred. God damn it, they're listening to old school hip hop. Shoot me in the face now. God, I hope that's not Duan. He's like, throw the fucking ball, bitch.
Hasn't died on me like it's died on me like three times so far.
How long? Then I found break race.
And it was like, I don't know, you don't want to.
I'm gonna eat this little crumb.
Remember, this is gonna pour out smoke, so you got a bowl.
Go, go, go. Go. This is special recon, bro. Special task force.
Oh wait, I don't want to bring my phone. I will break the fuck out of this thing. Bam, watch the big motherfucking microwave in. Yeah. Went down to 11.7 the other day. That's sketchy. Alright guys, I'm a moron. I didn't film an outro video after I was cooking that day. I didn't even know what the fuck I was cooking, to tell you the truth. I couldn't even figure that out when I was editing the clips. But yeah, that's it. Why don't you guys subscribe, I guess, do that shit, and fucking watch these other videos and fucking do shit. I don't know, have fun. Later.